Hey, it's Trish, and this is Fold of the Week, a show where I share powerful print marketing ideas to help you achieve success on any budget. Today, I'm challenging you to add intrigue and interaction to your mail campaigns in a very simple way. I've got 3 designs to show you, so let's take a closer look. This first example is a great design for BlueCross BlueShield that hits you where it counts, your wallet, with intriguing examples about what your medical care could cost, and with 3 peel and reveal tabs that show how much money you could potentially save. It's a great use of this technique because you really want to know the answer. It's your money. Opening it up, there's 2 more panels of content, and if you look really close, you'll see that this is just a trifold with 2 panels glued together. The peel and reveal sections are made with a combination of scoring, cutting, and perforating that can be done all in one pass with a die. Now let's take the same peel and reveal approach, but we'll switch the glued panel of the trifold from the cover to the inside instead. This self-mailer for a fun event at Legacy Retirement Communities features a 5-tab teaser about the different food stations that the guests will experience at the event. It's fun and interactive and really gets the recipient to read and focus on the food they'll be serving at the event. Sticking with the glued panel on the inside approach, here's a really clever use of the peel and reveal with one large section to peel up and with the payoff being a very cool tipped-in product sample of a specialty substrate from GPA. This piece was part of a series, and if you'd like to see all of the pieces, check out episode 462. This is such a great idea, and I could see this with a golden ticket or a window cling or other fun freemium or premium item that you want to call attention to. As you can see, all 3 of these are glued trifolds, and the only real difference between them is the placement and the configuration of the peel and reveal areas. The other important note is that this is not a solution reserved solely for trifolds. This idea can work for any format that has at least 2 panels to glue together, which could mean large interactive postcards, roll folds, gatefolds, and more. Just add a panel, glue it down, and let the fun begin. A very special thanks to the creators of the samples featured in this episode for sharing their solution with us. If you've ever been inspired by something you've seen on the show, please consider folding it forward and sharing your work too. If you're looking for more ideas, downloads, and templates, visit foldfactory.com, and remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.